A fireman wants to slide down a rope. The braking load of the rope is 3/4 of the weight of the man. With what acceleration should the fireman slide down? Acceleration due to gravity is g. Now, pause the video and guess the answer. The correct answer is option B, g/4. Explanation. Consider a fireman which is sliding down a rope as shown in the figure. There are two forces acting on the fireman. Its weight mg acting downward and tension T acting upward. As the fireman is accelerating downward, the net force F acting on it is mg minus T. According to Newton's second law, F equals ma. By comparing these two equations, we get ma equals mg minus T, as T equals 3/4 mg. The equation 3 becomes ma equals mg minus 3/4 mg. After canceling mass m from each term, we get acceleration is equal to g minus 3/4. Or acceleration is equal to 4g minus 3g/4. Or acceleration is equal to g/4. Which is the answer? Note: if the fireman is accelerating downward, the net force F acting on it is F equals mg minus T. If the fireman is accelerating upward, the net force F acting on it is F equals T minus mg. Thanks for watching.